Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily Speak English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah, and hello to all of our listeners. It is so good to be back today.
It's great to have you back, David. How are you doing?
I am feeling wonderful, thank you. Very happy and very relaxed.
Ooh, relaxed. That is a great word. You look very relaxed.
Thank you. I had a very good week. How about you? How was your week?
My week was good. It was busy, lots of work, but I am happy it is time for the podcast.
Me too. I love talking with you and everyone here.
And today, we have a very fun topic.
Yes, it's a great topic.
We are going to practice how to talk about a vacation in English, how to ask questions, and how to answer.
That is so useful. Talking about happy things like a trip is a great way to practice English.
Exactly. But before we talk about vacations, we have a small request for everyone.
Yes, we do. If you're listening and you like our podcast, please take 1 second to click the like button.
Yes, a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
And please subscribe to Daily Speak English. When you subscribe, you won't miss any of our new episodes.
And if you have a friend who is learning English, please share this podcast with them.
Thank you so much. Your support is amazing.
Okay, Sarah, I'm ready. Let's talk about vacations.
Okay, so Sarah, you said you are very relaxed.
Yes, I am. And I wasn't here last week.
That's true. Where were you, David?
I was on vacation.
Aha! I knew it. That's wonderful.
Yes, it was so nice to have a break from work. I'm so happy for you.
So we must ask, where did you go?
I went to the beach.
The beach. Oh, I love the beach. That sounds perfect.
It was. I love the sound of the ocean.
Me too. Which beach did you go to?
I went to a place called Sunshine Beach.
Sunshine Beach. That's a happy name.
It is, and it was very sunny.
So tell us, how was it?
It was fantastic. Really, I didn't want to come back.
Oh, no. That's the sign of a great vacation.
Yes, I feel so new, rested. That's a good feeling.
So what did you do?
Not much, and that was the best part.
Ah, a relaxing vacation.
Exactly. I didn't have a plan. I just relaxed.
That sounds perfect. So what did you do in the morning?
In the morning, I woke up not too early, maybe 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. That's a good vacation morning.
Yes. Then I had breakfast. A nice, slow breakfast. I had coffee and fruit.
And after breakfast?
After breakfast, I went to the beach. I walked on the sand.
A walk on the beach. Was it quiet?
Yes, very quiet in the morning. Just the sound of the ocean.
How was the weather? You said it was sunny.
Yes, the weather was perfect. Sunny and warm every day.
Wow, every day?
Yes, no rain, not one cloudy day. Just blue skies.
You are very lucky.
I know. After my walk, I went swimming.
Swimming in the ocean?
Yes, the water was blue and beautiful.
Was it cold?
A little cold at first, but after 1 minute, it was perfect.
That's the best. I love swimming in the ocean.
Me too. I floated in the water and looked at the blue sky.
David, you are making me want a vacation. Sorry, it was just so good. So you walked, you swam, did you read?
Yes, I brought a book. I sat on a chair at the beach and read my book.
That's my favorite thing to do. Reading at the beach is the best.
It is. It was so peaceful.
How long were you there?
I was there for 1 week, 7 days.
That's a great amount of time.
Yes, not too short, not too long, just right.
And who did you go with?
I went with my wife and our 2 children.
A family vacation. That's special.
It was. The children loved the beach so much.
What did they do?
They played in the sand all day, built big sand castles with buckets and shovels.
That's adorable. Did they find shells?
Yes, they collected a whole bag of shells. A great souvenir.
And in the afternoon, we all took a nap.
A nap? A sleep in the afternoon?
Yes, a vacation nap. The best kind.
The beach makes you sleepy, in a good way.
That's right. We all slept for an hour. It was very quiet.
This sounds like the perfect vacation, David.
It was very close. And the food? Oh, Sarah, the food.
Tell me about the food.
We ate a lot of seafood, fresh fish, rice, and salad. So delicious.
Did you cook?
No cooking on vacation. That's a rule.
Haha, good rule. What about dessert?
Every night, the kids wanted ice cream.
Of course. Beach and ice cream go together.
Exactly. Every night, we walked to a small ice cream shop. I had chocolate, my wife had vanilla, and the kids tried everything.
That sounds like a happy family.
It really was just a simple, happy week.
So that was my vacation. What about you, Sarah? Do you have one planned?
Yes, next month, I'm going to the mountains.
The mountains. Very different from the beach.
Yes, no sand, no ocean, but I love the mountains too.
They're quiet and beautiful.
Exactly. I want to see trees, mountains, and fresh air.
Will you relax like me?
Yes, but I'll also go hiking, walking in the forest.
Great exercise.
Yes, and maybe I'll see animals or birds.
Who are you going with?
2 of my good friends.
A trip with friends, always fun.
Yes, we are very excited.
Where will you stay?
In a small cabin, a wooden house with a fireplace.
That sounds cozy.
It is colder in the mountains, so I'll bring a warm jacket and socks.
Will you eat out?
No, we'll cook. The cabin has a kitchen. We'll make pasta and hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate in the mountains? Perfect.
We'll hike in the day, sit by the fire at night, drink hot chocolate, and play games.
That sounds wonderful, Sarah. I hope you have the best time.
Thank you, David. I'm counting the days.
So, we both love vacations.
Yes, everyone loves vacations, and it's a great topic for English practice.
Let's review some easy words.
The main word, vacation, or trip. I'm on vacation, or I'm on a trip.
To ask, say, where did you go? Answer, I went to the beach, or I went to the mountains, or I went to London, or I went to Tokyo.
Ask, how was it? And answer, it was wonderful, or it was relaxing.
And what did you do? You can say, I went swimming, I walked, I relaxed, I ate delicious food.
All simple and useful words.
It's a fun conversation to practice with a friend or someone at work.
Well, Sarah, our time is almost finished for today.
You're right. Time flies when we talk about vacations.
It was so nice to share my trip with you.
And great to hear about your plans.
Thank you again, everyone, for listening. If you liked our chat today, don't forget to subscribe to Daily Speak English.
Please give this episode a like. It helps others find our podcast.
And share it with one friend who's learning English too.
Thank you so much. Your support is amazing.
Okay, now, down in the comments, tell us where you went on your last vacation. Or if you haven't had one yet, where do you want to go? The beach, the mountains, or a big city?
Write your answer in English. It's great practice and we love reading them.
Thank you again, everyone. We'll see you next time.
Bye, David. Have a great week.
You too, Sarah. Goodbye, everyone.